Welcome to another video of GKIN. Which is the first double-decker train of Indian Railways? Howrah-Dhanbad double-decker express. What is the total route length of Indian Railways? 68,155 kilometers. When did the first electric train run in India? 3rd February 1925. Which stations are with the maximum number of routes emerging from it? Madhura Junction and Howrah Junction. Which station of India holds the world record for largest route relay interlocking system? New Delhi station. Which station has world's longest railway platform? Gorakhpur Junction. Which station has world's second longest railway platform? Kollam Junction railway station. Which fuel is used in Indian Railways apart from electric energy? Diesel. What is the category of long distance source to destination non-stop service in Indian Railways? Duronto Express. Which is the highest railway station in India? Khum railway station. Who is the first female loco pilot of Indian Railway? Surekha Shankar Yadav. Who is the current Railway Minister of India? Piyush Goyal. Which train has the longest route in India? Dibrugarh Kanyakumari Vivek Express. Who was the first female railway minister of India? Mamata Banerjee. Which zone is the largest among Indian railway zones? North Zone. Which train gets the highest priority in Indian rail network? Rajdhani Express. Which city had the first metro rail service in India? Kolkata Metro in 1984. Who is known as the Metro Man of India? E. Sridharan. His full name is Elatuvalappil Sridharan. Which railway station is divided between Maharashtra and Gujarat? Nawapur Railway Station. Which is the largest railway yard in India? Mughal Sarai Junction. This station has been renamed to Pandit Deen Dayal Upadhyay Junction. When was the Indian Railway nationalized? 1951. On which date the Railway Foundation Day of India is celebrated yearly? 16 April. Which railway station is divided between Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh? Bhavani Mandi Railway Station. Which is the world's oldest steam locomotive in regular service? The Fairy Queen. Where is the headquarters of Konkan Railway situated? CBD Belapur, Navi Mumbai. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel for more videos.